Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial, like I said, we learned about the doc type and the HTML, the head and title, which I explained. Now let's also look at some other tags that we have here. Now we also have other tags like the like the let's say italic. The I stands for italic. Let's say now what italic does is that see it makes our writing slanted. I see this italic. So welcome, you can see the welcome is slanted. That's the work of the italic I. And the next one we have it's let's say we have our sub. Let's say we want to create let's say paragraph we have let's write a mathematics let's say an equation 5 raised to power 2. Now the raised to power 2, I say 5, the raised to power 2, I'll use a tag called sup or is it sup or soup, whichever one. So raised to power the sup is raised to power 2, so I have to close this sup. So now that sup means superscript. You can see what happens. I have to close my p. Now see what happens there. 5 raised to power 2. So that I have an error there. I didn't close. Okay, remove this. Raised to power 2. Okay, I wrote double. Now see 5 raised to power 2. See that? So the sup is for superscript. So to create for subscript, what I'll do, same method. I'm going to say 10. Let's see, let me use 10 raised to 10 base. The subscript is really base. Let's say base 2. So to write my base 2, I'll write um sub base 2. So close the sub. Oh, sorry. Now see that. Now 10 base 2, 10 base 2. You can see that. So as simple as that. So your classwork is just write your own code to display 5 raised to power 2 plus 4 raised to power 2. Let's see if you're correct. 5 raised to power 2 plus 4 raised to power 2. Are you done? So let's quickly do that. Okay, let's say p paragraph 5. The raised to power, I use my sub p to power 2. You see, then close this up. So now 5 to the power 2. Now the plus sign plus 4 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 2. So 5 raised to the power 2 plus 4 raised to the power 2. Okay, Mind you have to close your paragraph. See that? So P 5 soup 2 close soup, then plus 4 soup superscript 2 close superscript, now close your paragraph. You can see, as simple as that. Simple as that. Okay, so there are a lot of tags in HTML that you can use. We also have another tag called the U. It is the underline. We have another tags called the BR, just known as the break, and this break tag does not have a closing tag. Okay, let's say you are welcome. So you have to welcome. You can see this is the underline. You can see welcome is underlined. You see that? Okay, so we have other tags that you can use. Let's say welcome to school. Now this to school, let's say I want to break this school. I want to break it to the next line. I'm going to use my BR here. You can see welcome to, the break will break this school to the next line. You see that? Welcome to school. That's the BR tag. So we have a lot of tags in our HTML. A lot of tags in our HTML. Okay, so what other ones do we have? Any function you can do on Microsoft Office Word, you can also do it on your HTML. Okay, you can do it on your HTML. So let's see if we have other ones. So okay, the U underline, P paragraph, I italic, H1 heading. Okay, BR is the break. Okay, BR is the break. So in our next class we'll talk about HTML properties. HTML properties. Okay, so on kindly like this video, comment, and also do well to subscribe so that you can see more of our videos. Okay, when they are posted. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate, and I hope you've learned one or two things. So see you in our next class.